Hi, welcome. This video is about the new release of ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. And one of the things that has changed, if you take a look at the previous version, that's this neofetch. Ctrl-Alt-E is going to provide you the latest and newest if you update it, of course. And then you'll see here that we have more choices. So this is going to be a new screenshot for the article. And the only thing, of course, that we need to tell about it is that we have just more variables here. So if we do a Ctrl-T the first time, and then say, let's add some more stuff to it, right? I'm not gonna show my global IP here, so public IP. Why is it interesting? Well, if you have a Minecraft server or some kind of game running behind your firewall, then you need to know the public IP. Of course, there are websites that tell you that, but it's easy. It's just a click away and you've got it. So a Ctrl-T is gonna provide me some more information as the one up here. You see, it ends with memory, but apply Eric. It will change. There it is. Now, of course, the design a little bit screwed up, but okay, that's all right. It will work. So you see here some more information: memory, CPU, GPU, CPU, the disks, and so on and so on. So that's great, right? So we have some more choices. And if you want to reset, say, okay, back to where we were, that's it. Apply, and there will be no difference between the first one and the last one. All right, enjoy the Tweak tool.